Judge Raymond Lohier, U.S. Court of Appeals in the Second Circuit, said that he is going to allow the Obama administration to continue enforcing the National Defense Authorization Act, which allows for indefinite detentions. Now, this is interesting. You remember I had the good news for you guys. U.S. District Judge Catherine Forrest had put a permanent injunction in place on the NDAA, that specific provision of it. Now, it's fascinating because the Obama administration, with constitutional lawyer Barack Obama at the helm, immediately fought the decision. Said, how dare you? We demand to have the right to do indefinite detentions. But wait a minute. I thought President Obama has said clearly over and over again that he would not do indefinite detentions of U.S. citizens. So why is he fighting this case tooth and nail? If you actually didn't want that right, there's a very easy way to do it. You say, oh, all right, the judges ruled in this case. It's a permanent injunction. Sad day, we move forward. But no, President Obama loves that right. As he pretends, oh, I won't do it on my watch. Oh, I promise. Scout's honor. Yeah, I won't do it. But I want the right to do it. So I don't believe any of his nonsense. He loves executive power. He loves these abuses of civil liberties because it's not in his words, it's in his actions. Now, here's another interesting part of it. Judge Catherine Forrest had said, hey, it's an injunction that goes into place right now. If you're doing any indefinite detentions under this law, you must stop immediately. And the Obama administration argued, well, we can't do that. And that would really hurt what the government's doing now. Wait a minute. If you're not doing any indefinite detentions, why would it hurt you at all? If you're not using the law, you said you're not using that provision in the law. If you're not using that provision in the law, why would it cause the government any harm? Well, by definition, if we believe your argument, you're saying, what I'm saying to the public is a load of crap. In fact, I am doing indefinite detentions. Now, look, I don't know what their twisted interpretation here is, because for non-U.S. citizens, we're obviously doing indefinite detentions. Look at Guantanamo Bay, where we have people who, a lot of us, whom we think should be free to go, but we don't know where to put them. So, and we're not going to try them. We go, I don't know, we're just going to keep them. It's hard to try them. They might be proven innocent. We don't want to go through that. No, we're just going to do indefinite detentions. Now, are they doing any of U.S. citizens? Not that I know of, but, here they are vociferously claiming the right to do it. And so they got, in this case, the Judge Raymond Lohier, as I said, to be on their side. So this case moves forward. It's not over. But right now we have a ruling against the American people, against a clear reading of the United States Constitution. And by the way, one of the reasons Judge Catherine Forrest said that she would do that injunction is when she asked in court of the government, hey, you're not going to apply this to reporters, are you? By saying, hey, it is someone who is in contact with people that are related to al-Qaeda forces, and hence we can do no trials for them and lock them up forever. You're not going to do that to reporters, are you? And the Obama administration said, we're not making any promises. And she said, well, hell no, you're not doing it on my watch, injunction. And now we have a judge saying, let's lift the injunction. Let the government continue to do whatever the hell they're doing that they're not telling us, and then we'll see how the case resolves itself later. I'm so glad that we've got the change that we can really believe in. President Obama told us, what Bush is doing with Guantanamo and the indefinite detentions and the abuse of our civil liberties. Well, that will end on my watch for about 13 seconds, and then we'll pick it up with even greater speed.